Hi guys, it's Steve from Creative Home Engineering. I've got another really cool door I'm going to show you today. This is going to be part of a wall of stone, and what's unique about it is it's not an ordinary straight up and down wall like what we normally do when we make secret doors that are disguised into a wall of stone. This is actually going into this big fireplace unit where it's kind of got an interesting shape to it, and it's in a guy's cabin, and he's going to have a full taxidermied mount of a mountain lion or something like that. And so this thing, it's kind of a trapezoidal kind of a shape to it, and so our secret door also needed to have a trapezoidal shape. Well, making a door that is on a slope might not sound like it's particularly challenging, but it actually did create a couple of unique challenges. So first and foremost is that the door is going to be clad with stone, and they want it to be clad with real stone. And we did the load calculations, and we found out that the stone was going to weigh like 1,200 pounds. So already this door had to be super, super tough. That's pretty common for a stone secret door, that it's going to be really heavy. But the fact that it's on a slope means that as the door was going to open, the stones have to sort of raise up in height as the door opens. And so we had to add in some special gas struts inside that sort of assist with the door opening and make it so that when you close the door, that the weight of the stones don't push it and make it slam shut. So that's what we've done here. This will all be clad in stone, and you can see there's this little panel here. A stone is going to go right there, and whatever stone goes there, that stone is going to end up being the secret button. So I'm going to push, there'll be a stone here, I'll just push on that like that. There you go. And the door opens up, and this will all be mounted, by the way, higher. And so there'll be some shelves in here where the homeowner will put in, I don't know, I think he's going to put in rifles or whatever it is. I'm not exactly sure. I usually don't ask those kinds of questions because we're in the business of secrecy. So this is that door. It's pretty cool. One of a kind so far. I say this all the time, but you would think that after building like 3,000 unique secret doors as we have, that we would have seen everything, and we've done every type of secret door by that point, but that's not the case. People are always coming to me with something unique that we've never seen before, and they ask, can you build this? And we usually can build it. So if you've got an idea you want us to take a look at, give us a call. We would love to help you.